Well, students, we shall solve the grammar portion from the poem Asleep in the Valley. First is change the voice of the following sentences. I will be explaining you so that from the next chapters you can do on your own. See, change the voice. There are two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. You have already learned in class 8, 9, 10. Still, let me tell you, active voice means when the subject is in action, and passive voice means when the subject is not in action, when the subject is not active. So first thing, you must determine whether the sentence is in active voice or passive voice. How will you determine? First step is to understand the subject. The sentence is, a slow stream leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. So what is the subject? A low stream. Subject is what? Subject is the part of the sentence regarding which something is said in the sentence. यहाँ पर किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? A low stream. So a low stream is our subject. Next thing is to find out what is the verb. A slow stream. What does a slow stream do? It leaves. छोड़ती है. Leaves what? Long strands of silver on the bright grass. So leaves is our verb. Clear? And slow stream is our subject. A low stream leaves what? Long strands of silver on the bright grass. So this क्या छोड़ती है? Long strands of silver on the bright grass. So this whole portion is our object. Clear? So this is our subject, this is our verb, and this is the object. So this sentence is in the active voice because action is done by the subject. A slow stream. Slow stream, what does it do? It leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. So subject is active, so this sentence is in the active voice. So we need to change it into passive voice. So what is the system? The system is, in order to change the active voice into passive voice, we need to change the subject with the object and object with the subject. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Long strands of silver on the bright grass are left by a slow stream. The long strands of silver. This subject can be divided into two parts. On the bright grass we can add in the end. Long strands of silver are left. Why we have used are? Because the subject is in the present tense. Are left on the bright grass. On the bright grass by, this is the most important, by a slow stream. In passive voice we use by before adding the subject. तो अब क्या हो गया? Long strands of silver are left on the bright grass by a slow stream. Understand? Quickly see the next one. They fill the hollow full of light. They is our subject. Fill is our verb. The hollow full of light is the object. So the answer will be the hollow. There are two objects, the hollow and full of light, like here. So main object is the hollow. So we will write the hollow. The hollow is filled filled, full of light by them. Nature keeps him warm. This sentence is a different sentence, optative sentence, where nature is requested to keep him warm. तो यहाँ पर we can write nature is requested to keep him warm. He may catch cold. He is the subject, cold is the object. This is the verb. May catch. The cold might be caught by him. So everywhere you are seeing subject becomes object and object becomes subject. The humming insects don't disturb his rest. The humming insects, subject, don't disturb, verb, his rest, object. So it will be his rest is not disturbed by the humming insects. Hope you have understood how you should change the active sentence into passive voice. Okay?